Oh, just me and her. Okay, go ahead. Hi, Martha. Thank you so much for your sweet reply. It was great to hear you. It seems like all this time has passed, but it's great to check in right away like that. I'm sorry it's been so long since I've messaged you. I wanted to show you some of the massage techniques. You probably know, just how important petting is and making the dogs feel safe. There's a lot of tips and tricks with, like approaching them when it's at the right time for them. And, Noni's super receptive to it because she's been a patient of mine for a long time. But one of the massage moves that I think is really important for their back hip, and maybe this will help your dog, is just kind of sort of walking down the spine. You can kind of feel the spinous process, and you can kind of walk down like a little, I call it like a peace sign. You can walk down like that, like a peace sign. And you can kind of feel on either side of the spine, they've got muscles like the paraspinal muscles like humans have. She has a lot of hair right now, but you kind of just walk down towards the tail, and normally it should feel kind of loose and flexible, but sometimes it's really tight, or the dog has a little pain and they will like flinch a little, or let you know there's a little discomfort. I know Noni has a little discomfort right here. So what I do is I go on either side of the spine then, and just do like a single. I know your dog's probably bigger than Noni, so you could do 2 fingers and just kind of massage on the meaty muscles, which would be like the paraspinal muscles. And that's a really good one. And I go all the way down to the base of the tail with that one. If your dog's having, you said like kind of some arthritis, another one is going into the meaty part of the leg and just kind of massaging here, nice and thick, like into the thickness of the muscle. So I'm pinch gripping like that with my hands, and they like it on the inside of the muscle there. And sometimes you have to stretch their leg out. There we go. She let me stretch it out now, and she's relaxed. And I can feel when the muscle is really bunched up and tight. You know how when muscles get overly contracted, and you can feel when it gets more circulation and it starts to soften up. So you could try that on all her. Now she's telling me she's ready for more. So this is kind of like the sign you want, the way you want your dog to be in, is kind of receptive like that and not walking away and stuff. But if you can find them in this position, and you can really get a good therapeutic massage on them, you'll see a little more spring in their step. And it's probably a good idea to do that every day if you can. And then of course you can do the upper shoulders too, and grab around the shoulder blades and do that pinch grip kind of massage as well. With a bigger dog, you could use 2 hands. And definitely make sure your body is in a comfortable place. All right.
She got it.
I think we're done. So let me know how that works. And it was great to talk with you. I hope we can catch up with each other again soon. Bye.